Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Suma. Thank you so much for watching. So today we are going to learn how to diffuse your hair, and so if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching this video and for taking your time out. So basically you would have seen blow drying your hair to straight silky beautiful hair, but then I would like to show you guys how I diffuse my hair, so and all the basics, and this would be more useful for frizzy, wavy and curly hair girls, and I would like to share my tips and tricks regarding it. So yeah, let's just start with the video. So what is a diffuser? So diffuser is nothing but a nozzle or a cap that looks like this. So this is what we call a diffuser. So this is the diffuser guys, which is the main prop to style your hair, and what we see here is that, as you can see, there are multiple holes in it, and as well as these tooth combs to put your hair in. So that is how a diffuser is designed. This diffuser has multiple holes in them, so that when you attach them to a blow dryer, the hair is going to come out of the diffuser, but the hair is not going to come in a large volumes. It's going to be conversed a bit. I think that's a word, and and it's going to be very subtle air. It's not going to be that blown out air that a blow dryer actually gives. So, and these actually helps to hold your hair in place, these tooth combs, whatever you call them. So, and also this is how you can actually store the diffuser, and this is how you can do it. So sometimes to style your hair, you can. So this is this is a silicone diffuser guys, and there are many varieties in the market. You can get them in plastic material which is stubborn. It is just like that, you can't like put it inside, but this is a silicone one, a flexible diffuser. So this is how it goes inside, and however I want, I can just open it up. So this is the diffuser, and for blow dryer, and this is the blow dryer. So this is the blow dryer we're going to use, and this is from a company called WIZER. And guys, please note, the diffuser and the blow dryer what I'm showing in this video are not bought online. I went to a store and I bought them because sometimes you do not get a nozzle along with the diffuser in with some brands, but you actually get them with some brands, and which are pretty much expensive, like 5,000 4,000. But I am a person who always looks for affordable options. Like, do I really have to spend 5,000 on this diffuser? I just think about it. So because I do not use it in regular basis, I use it when I want that good definition happening, and if I don't have so much time. And also, if you see, my hair is semi-wet. It's not completely it's not completely dry, so that's when you have to diffuse your hair. So this is the blow dryer. So this blow dryer is a Salon saloon purpose blow dryers. So guys, let me tell you this. So there are blow dryers which saloons use, which we do not use at homes, because they are of higher voltage, and also they have higher efficiency, and they might be a bit costly. But you can actually use the hair dryers from Philips, and also this Braun and all. If you are able to spend some money on blow dryers, you can definitely use them. But then if you're buying two different pieces, like suppose diffuser is of different brand and the blow dryer is of different brand, you can never know if it really fits this dimension, or if it really fits the nozzle of the blow dryer. If it doesn't fit, it's a waste of money, because the effectiveness will be very less. So make sure you buy it offline or buy it as a set, so that it fixes in well. And I'm going to leave a few links in the Amazon, few links to the Amazon or Nykaa, wherever I find good efficient blow dryers, so that you can just go and buy them from there if you are a person who cannot go out and buy. But then if you are a person who have a good fancy store or a good cosmetic shop near you, always go try on both of them and see. So okay, let me tell you the price. So the price of this diffuser, the price of this blow dryer is 700. I've got it for 700, and the price of this diffuser alone, and the price of this diffuser alone costed me 450 rupees, which together costed me 1150 rupees. That's what I've paid for it, which is a very good amount for a dryer and a diffuser. So along with the blow dryer, I've gotten a nozzle which is very much effective for blow drying your hair, but we are not going to do that today. Maybe I'll show in another tutorial how to blow dry curly hair like this, or frizzy hair. But today we are going to talk about diffusing. So I have got this from a store called Srija Cosmetics in Ameerpet. If you're from Hyderabad, then Ameerpet is the place where I have gone, and there is this Srija Cosmetics shop behind Charmas. Charmas is a very good big building in Ameerpet which you can easily spot, and behind that you see this shop called Srija Cosmetics. You can go there and go ask them and they'll show you this. And I'm very much glad that they had this kind of silicone thingy diffuser, which is really nice. And also on Amazon there is a brand called The Curly Co. This is an international brand which they also sell the diffusers for around 1000 rupees or 1500. Whatever links I can put, I'll put them in the description box so that you can check them. And also, now you may get the doubt, why should we use a diffuser when you can just air dry, right? So for frizzy and curly and wavy hair people, the styling is very much important. You should know how to style your hair, because I get there are girls with beautiful hair, beautiful curly and wavy hair, but they do not know how to take care of it. They do not know how to style it. So this is where diffusers come handy. If you are a person who do not know how to style your hair, and if you have wavy and curly hair and you always wanted to straighten it, that's a wrong thing, girl. Stop doing that. Stop straightening your hair. Stop putting so much heat on your hair, and always try diffusing your hair for those stylish girls after you style your hair. So as of now, I have my curl activator cream in my hair. This is a styling product from Cantu, and I'll link the video to the Cantu review here so that you can go there. There you'll see how I actually style my hair. So you always need to use a styling cream or a leave-in before using the diffuser. And let me tell you, styling creams and leave-ins are different from serums. Never use serums because serums have lots of silicones in them. Silicones is not good for the hair. It may give you a nice, that kind of a smooth silky effect which it gives, but it is all on the outside, guys. It's not going to really give you that good effect from inside. Trust me, never use silicone based serums. Like most of the serums are silicone based. Try using gels, try using aloe vera gel, try using shea butter, try using mango butter, try using jojoba oil, argan oil. So there are multiple natural organic things which you can put in your hair rather than putting some silicones on your hair. Stop doing that. Stop using silicone based serums, which is not at all good for your hair. It is going to give you an illusion that your hair is soft, but the reality is your hair is frizzy and it is just giving you a coating. What I have learned, so now I just wanted to share something about the blow dryer. So blow dryers always have set up high speed, low speed and super high speed, and they have both cold and hot and very hot kind of buttons here, if you can see. So always try to first put your first put your the blow dryer on medium heat, medium hot air. Then then what happens is that it is going to dry your hair. But when you're completing, always try to put the blow dryer on cold, because cold is going to seal your hair and give it good shine. So there are these things which you have to put in mind before using the diffuser. And never use just a blow dryer on your curly or frizzy hair, because it's not going to do any good. It's just going to frizz up your hair more and it's going to look like a frizz ball. Never do that. And I may look like a scanty person right now with a big face and no hair, but because my hair is all wet from inside. So yeah, let's talk about the mistakes that we do while diffusing. So while diffusing, before, what I used to do is I used to take my diffuser as soon as I style my hair. That means I'm diffusing my hair on dripping wet hair, which is not at all good, because when you apply product, your hair is settling down, sinking the product, and you should actually give it some time to sink in and give a good moisturizing effect to it before you're blowing it with some air. So even if you're using a diffuser like this, never ever diffuse your hair on dripping wet hair, or never ever diffuse just after applying a product. always diffuse your hair after some time. Give it some time, like 30 minutes, or at least for like 30 minutes. 30 minutes should be enough. Or if you do not have that much time, you can give just 15 minutes. And before diffusing, always try to put your hair in a nice microfiber towel or a microfiber t-shirt or a very smooth cotton t-shirt. That way the moisture is not absorbed, but then you can actually see your hair dry a bit if you're not having too much time to just wait for diffusing. So let your hair be for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes always you can do it. So if I am going to do diffusing now, the diffuser is going to put more of its efforts on curling my hair and giving it a good style, rather than just rather than just trying to make the product dry. Because our products, whatever products we use on our hair, are a bit sticky and also a bit clumpy. They have the clumpy nature, so you don't want to disturb that. And also, whenever you're diffusing, there are few techniques like you shouldn't, which I'll be showing. So first I'm not going to on the dryer now because it makes a lot of noise and I'll not be able to talk to you guys. So whenever you're diffusing, so this is how you attach a diffuser, and this is and you put it on medium heat. And whenever you're diffusing, always take in sections, and always take some hair, put it in the nozzle and hold it close to your scalp like this for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. And release it slowly. Don't go in a harsh way. And also, do not try to friction your hair. When you're trying to dry your hair with your hands always, that means you're creating friction, and which in turn gives you frizzy layers. You don't want frizz to happen. So you're going to do that, and again try to put your hair in the diffuser like this and go up, put it close to the scalp like this and release it. That's what we're gonna do. And also to dry, if you feel that your diffuser is not giving much, if you feel that your diffuser is not doing much, if you want to diffuse your length of the hair, always take some hair, put it close to the diffuser like this and wait for some time, 10 seconds, and take off. So that's how we're gonna do whole hair, like entire hair. Now we're gonna do that. Put it up for 10 seconds, take it down, and there are different methods, girls. So as I've done a middle partition, because I always style condition my hair in 2 halves. So I always style and condition my hair with a center partition, because then I have a same amount of hair on both the sides. And then while diffusing, you always need to flip your hair. So you need to flip your hair frontwards, you need to flip your hair backwards, sidewards. This way it adds a lot of volume to your hair, and you need to have lots of patience. So patience is the key. So have good patience for diffusing your hair if you want good results, and the results are going to last you for more than 3 days if you take good care of your curly hair or baby hair. So always know how to style your products, always know how to style your hair, what products to use, and how to diffuse your hair. These are enough for you to slay your hair and not touch the straightener again. So the entire purpose of me showing how to diffuse and all this is because I just want to increase the confidence in the girls having frizzy baby curly hair, because we all belong to the same family, and we all don't want our family members to be disappointed in our hair, and I want my family members to be all slaying their beautiful hair. And I know it's extra, but yeah, you can take extra virgin coconut oil, like the cold pressed coconut oil, take few drops of it, rub it in your hand and give a good scrunch to the hair. It's going to add shine and bounce, like you'll love it. You'll just see everything in a minute. So let's just jump into the styling part. So this is how my curls are going to look after diffusing, and now my curls might take much time to dry further, like totally dry, but for me to go out and do my course, I don't think I need my hair to be completely dry. But then this technique is going to help you give your curls a good definition without drying too much. And for the second day hair, my hair is going to look more bouncy and completely dry, and it looks fresh than the first day. So this is how my curls look. And I really hope you girls or guys, whoever is watching it, like this video. Please give a big thumbs up, and also please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. You subscribing to my channel will help me do more such videos which might be helpful to you. And also comment down below if you have any doubts, more doubts regarding this, and I'll definitely answer your comments. And I shall see you in the next video. If you have any other video ideas, please leave them, and I shall be happy to be doing those videos. And yeah, I shall see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.